Hi guys, welcome to Gigi Han channel. KJ is now my new boss, our new health minister, and the whole Malaysian internet has been cheering for him because of his good track record of bringing the Malaysian vaccination rate up at a record speed. So Tanya, KJ. And also KJ has announced that the ceiling price for all this Covid RTK rapid test kit will be brought down from 40 ringgit down to 19.90. Yes, it is good, but in my opinion, not good enough. Let me explain why. First, we have to compare the prices with other countries as well. In Germany and other European countries, they are sold at around €5 per kit only. And in Singapore, our neighboring country, these kits are sold at a price of around 10 to 13 Singapore dollars per kit. Yes, you may argue that after conversion, all these prices are comparable or even more expensive compared to that in Malaysia. But you have to consider two things. The currency strength is different, and also the buying power of the citizens is also different. 20 ringgit for someone who is maybe in the B40 category, that can be their half day worth of salary. And imagine they need to get their family of 5 to get tested. That is around 100 ringgit. And imagine again, unfortunately, let's say after 1 week, they get another exposure, close contact, or even they are feeling unwell, they need to get tested again after a week. That can be a big burden for the category. So my suggestion is maybe we can take a look at what the UK is doing. Their NHS system, National Health Service System, is subsidizing all this Covid RTK. So anybody can just go to any pharmacies and get all these kits for free. FOC, no questions asked. In my opinion, in order for us to get this pandemic under control, there are only 2 ways to do it. Number 1 is to vaccinate, which KJ is doing a good job, Tanya. And number 2, we need to test. WHO recommends that in order to indicate the pandemic is under control, we need to show the positive rate is actually below 5%. But in Malaysia, we are constantly getting 10 to 15%, which means when we test 100 persons, 10 to 15 of them will be positive. This is not a good indication. And what we are doing now, most tests are done by PCR testing. Yes, it is the gold standard, but in my opinion, it is too slow and too costly. So we need the help of all these RTK test kits to test more of the population. So I need your help here. I need you to help me to share this video out so more and more people can see this video, hopefully including the authority as well as KJ, hopefully, so they can know our pledge to bring down these RTK prices. Hopefully, yes. When we have low price or free FOC prices for all these RTK test kits, there is a chance that we can get this pandemic under control. So everybody stay safe. That's all I want to share with you today. I'm Gigi Han. Like this video if you like it. Share this video out also. And I will see you in the next video. Gigi Han out.